6 red flags to watch out for when you're buying a home, especially if you're a first-time home buyer. Number 1 is doors that don't open, and number 2, they go together, any cracks in the foundation. Both of these items might be a strong indication that there are structural issues with the house and the frame is maybe even collapsing. Active insect infestations of any kind, but pay special attention to termites, as these tend to eat wood, and especially the beams that you don't see in the basement that are supporting the structure of the house. It's really important to inspect those to see if there is no damage, because those structural beams in the basement are holding all of your house up. Water stains and saggy ceilings anywhere in the house might be an indication of a leaking roof, water damage, piping in the walls, and potentially mold issues in the future. Next one is standing water in the front of the house or in the backyard. That means the water is not going away from the house and might be seeping into the basement if the house has a basement and cause damage later on. Sloping floors should go with number 1 and 2 because they are an indication that something might be wrong with the structure of the house. It might not necessarily be something serious, but it might be. So it's always good to check it out with your inspector.